Fifine sent me a mic and said, do a review. And I thought, okay, when I'm done, I'm going to give it away. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to unbox, we're going to take it for a test run and see how it sounds, and then I'll tell you about the giveaway. Let's see what's in the box. This retails for 100 Canadian or so, so I guess American, probably 75 bucks or something like that. Nice packaging. Okay, so here's the mic. It's already on the stand. That makes it easy. You know, they're metal, they're solid, it's not plastic. That's a nice looking piece of gear. You got this little guy right here. That's for putting it on a mic stand. I did a review of another Fifine mic a little while ago. I'll put a link up here. And it was pretty good. What do we have in here? So when I send this to you, I don't want it to be all hacked apart, because this is the one that I'm going to send. YouTube is not sponsoring this contest, and neither is Fifine. I just thought, I've got lots of mics, maybe I can help somebody out. So when I'm done, I'm going to send you this one. I think that's everything. So we got a USB cable, we got the mic, we got the stand to put it on a mic stand. Let's set this thing up and see how easy it is. So Fifine says that their mics are super easy to connect and don't need drivers. So we're going to plug this in and just see what happens here on the logic screen. It's plugged in. 1, 2, whoa. There it is. It's set up. You don't have to do anything. It's there. Done. So I've just plugged it in, and we can see here in Logic that the microphone came up right away. Super easy to set up. So first impression, well, mics like this, it's got some handling noise, but it's not meant like as a stage mic, so no problem. It was easy to set up. USB cable. I put my headphones into the bottom here. You can hear it right away. The side with the light appears to be, let's see here. So the thing that's interesting about this microphone, and first impressions is it sounds really good, it's got 4 polar patterns, and what polar patterns are is just the direction that the mic hears in. So let's go to the first one. So you should be able to see them there. I hope that focused. So let's start with figure 8. Check 1, 2, check 1, 2, check 1, 2, check. This mic's in stereo. This is a stereo microphone. Wow. I didn't expect that at all. I'm getting left and right. Let me see what happens if I switch my inputs here. Input 1, 2. We're going check, 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 check. This mic's stereo. Crazy. Okay, I didn't know that was going to happen. That's pretty neat. Let's put it into Cardioid. So Cardioid, check, 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 check. Yeah. So Cardioid should hear better from this side of the microphone, the front. In this case, it's the one with the light. Turning on my air conditioner. Now, if you've got a computer fan, an air conditioner, something that's getting into your recording, this is how you want to deal with it. So I'm turning the air conditioner into loud mode, which just means the compressor is going to come on. Let's see if we can hear it with the microphone. You might need to put headphones on, but in a recording, if you're singing into this thing and you don't want that noise in your recording, if you put the noise towards the back, you're going to get less of it. That's why that's really important. Let's switch to Omni Mode. Okay, I can hear that's pretty even. So the difference with Omni, and the reason why you would want to use it, is to get sounds all the way around. So if you're recording in a bedroom studio by yourself, you probably don't want that. You tend to get more of the room noise in a microphone when you use it in Omni. But if you're doing video conferences or you're doing a podcast and you've got a couple people sharing the mic, maybe depending on where they're sitting, the Omni might be useful for that. So let's look at the last thing, which is figure 8. The idea with figure 8, right, is that we would hear from this side and this side, but not the sides of the microphone. So again, doing a podcast, you could be sitting across from somebody. I'm talking here, you're talking there. If we're strategic about it, we could put the computer off to the side and then you wouldn't hear the fan. So is this useful? You bet it is. This is a really useful thing. Recording engineers use this all the time to get the desired sound. So fine, I can really hear the polar patterns on this microphone. Good job. And just for contrast, this is me speaking into the camera microphone so you can hear a difference. And here is me speaking into the laptop microphone. So if I was recording into Logic singing, it would sound like this. So we can hear that there's a measurable improvement in sound quality with this. So the contest is not sponsored by YouTube, not sponsored by Fifine. I'm just giving this microphone away because I think I have a lot of microphones, and if I can help somebody out, that's kind of cool. So don't hold me to any kind of crazy corporate standard. So what are the rules? I would like you to be a subscriber or to subscribe. Enter the contest by leaving a comment that says, yeah, I would love to have that microphone. And you will need to be in Canada or the USA, just because I feel like the shipping then is affordable and manageable and predictable for me. You need to agree to pay for any duties or taxes for it entering the US if the winner's in the US. I am going to use a site called Comment Picker to pick the winner randomly on March 19th. When Comment Picker picks a comment for me on March 19th, the commenter's name in the description, I will put a comment that you're the winner on your comment and YouTube. The winner will have 7 days to respond. If nobody responds after 7 days, we'll do it again. Same thing will happen again. If nobody responds after 7 days, we'll pick a new winner until we find one. Then we will go through a verification process to make sure that the person who actually left the comment is the person who's reaching out to me to get the microphone. I will then ship it to you, and this microphone will be yours. Any questions? Leave them in the comments, I guess. We will need to adhere to YouTube community guidelines, and there is no warranty implied or expressed either from me, YouTube, or Fifine. Good luck!